Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 BMW X3 M. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears of the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, everything here looks fine. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. I do see a scratch here. Sorry, right here. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I do not see any scratches on them at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the back of the SUV. Everything back here looks very good. The trunk looks fine. I do not see any scratches or dents. The back bumper does have a scratch right here, but everything else looks perfect. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no scratches on it at all or no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. Okay, the front and back door are perfect. I do not see any scratches on the front or back door. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Everything looks perfect. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Yeah, I'm not seeing any wear on the seat at all. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. This door panel looks perfect as well. I'm not seeing any wear on it at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that there is no wear and tear at all. Okay, that looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Now we're going to take a look at the steering wheel. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.